right, here we go. We'll go Harvard Bridge to Kendall Square, right out in the middle of the Charles River, on Mass Ave on the bridge. Let's get over to Kendall Square, give you a nice, real good view of all the recreational opportunities here along the river. Cambridge side, heading towards that right now. You should see the MIT Dome and the flag up there. All right, coming down to this intersection, we're going to take a right immediately onto the sidewalk, which is going to be the path as well. So carefully take a little right here. MIT and Cambridge are on the left, Boston's on the right. As you can see, a lot of other people out here besides just the cyclists enjoying themselves, so always keep that in mind. Alright, so what I would do personally is I'm looking for Ames. This is how I'm going to get into Cambridge. Ames, it's right here on the left. We're going to wait for all the right cycling signals to get us over safely. All right, we got both greens here on Ames. As you can tell, there's some construction. Make sure you get both. A moped just went by. He blew through that, so if you didn't wait for both, he might have hit you. A lot of work being done on Ames. I'm looking for the most recent bike lanes here. Over here on this side. Over here in this alternate two-way bike lane. I say that because there's one on the other side as well. There's a lot of construction, as you can tell. So with all this construction, I'm going to wiggle over here. So I want to continue onto this lane. If I were to go that way. Another option is to head right down here on Main. So we'll go ahead and do that. Right here. So we're in this relatively unprotected lane on Main, heading right down into Kendall Square. And we're basically inside it right now. Got the red line T right here, MIT Kendall. I'll show you the little launch pad for Longfellow. Thank you. Heading this way, we look at this pedestrian crossing. Come right out here. Point that weapon this way, right here. You'll be getting on Longfellow, right there. Boom, boom.